beautiful people, welcome to the channel. Today's video is one that is after my heart because it has to do with money. Let me be more specific, saving money. I like the idea of saving money. So today I'm coming to you with 7 ways to save money while on a healthy hair journey, while on a natural hair journey. So if that's something you're interested in ways in which you can make your natural hair journey simpler and less expensive, keep watching this video. I know that when I want to go natural, when I told people I was going to go natural, one of the first things they have to say is, natural hair products are so expensive. And it's true, especially when you live in Nigeria, where the exchange rate is so high. Exchange rate, naira to the dollar, is so high. You're going to get these products really expensive. Before the naira was so devalued, I remember one Shea Moisture conditioner or shampoo could go for as much as 5,000 naira. That was some years ago. I can't even begin to imagine what it is now. If you're a natural living in Nigeria and you've gone shopping lately for hair products, please let us know in the comment section. Let's prepare ourselves for when we go for our own shopping. So this video, I was just sitting now thinking about how you don't need to spend so much to get healthy hair. So I came up with 7 tips on how to help you save your money while on a healthy hair journey, on a healthy natural hair journey. I found out that products for relaxed hair are not as expensive as the ones for natural hair. Without further ado, let's go straight into the video. So number 1 is doing your research. When you do your research, you know the basic things you need for your natural hair journey. It's going to help you a lot because you know that you're not going to be carried away by advertising. You're not going to be carried away by big brand names and all that. You're just going to go for the basic things. If you're on a tight budget, you know that what you really need for your hair to thrive is moisture and a sealant. And you can get shea butter from the market for as low as 100 naira. You can, what am I even saying 100 naira? 15, okay, I don't know. I've not gone to the market lately to buy shea butter. And things have gone up, so I don't know if you can get 15 naira shea butter anymore. But 100 naira you can get shea butter, and water is free. So if you're on a tight budget, you can use this for your natural hair. It's going to save you up some money. Number 2 is comparison shopping. What I mean is, go to different shops, go to different stores and compare their prices. Guys, I've bought products before in one shop and gone to another shop and seen that same product and it's cheaper by about 2,000 naira. Sometimes cheaper by 1,000 naira, sometimes cheaper than 500 naira. It is good to compare prices. If I had compared prices, I would have known where to get the cheapest products. So that is something that you should do. Comparing prices is not something you should shy away from because you're trying to save as much money as you can. There's no need going to spend so much in one place when you can get that same thing, that same quality, that same brand cheaper somewhere else. Guys, this is something you shouldn't sleep on. Compare prices. There's nothing wrong with it, especially if you have the shops in the same area. But if you have to drive far away, that is when you now sit down and think if it is really worth the effort to go all the way just to get a slight reduction in price. Number 3, stock up during sales. There's sometimes that sometimes I go to a shop and I see that some products are on sale. They're giving like 20% off. They're giving you're buying one and buying one at half price. Sometimes you're buying one and getting one for free. Take advantage of such sales. When you take advantage of such sales, you stock up on your favorite products. It saves you money. There's something I decided to start doing and I'm going to share it with you. I've decided that at the beginning of each year, I'll be setting aside a little amount of money for products when they go on sale. Number 4, DIYs. Guys, instead of spending so much on products, you can make something similar at home by yourself for way less and sometimes even better quality. The thing with DIY is that you know exactly what you're putting into the product. You're the one formulating it. You know the concentration of the different ingredients you want in it. DIY is the way to go if you want to save money on your healthy hair journey. Number 5, don't pursue brand names. There are sometimes that you get a product that is unknown. that the company is unknown, but it is so good and you can get it for way less than what big brands offer. So if you're on a budget, even if you're not on a budget, it's also good to save money. Try to find products from brands that are not so popular, products that are good and work for you. You will be able to save money on your natural hair journey. It won't be so stressful or so expensive. Number 6, buy the basics. Guys, there's sometimes that you're just on a tight budget and all you can afford is shampoo and conditioner. And it's okay. You can be okay with this. Just make sure your hair is properly moisturized after washing your hair. Moisturize it and seal it and you're good to go. So when you're on a tight budget, don't starve, don't go hungry just because you're saving money for hair products. You can just buy the basics and they'll work for you. Number 7, don't be a product junkie. There was a time I used to buy so many products. I'll buy conditioner from a different brand, I buy another conditioner from another brand, sometimes I'll have 3 different conditioners, and that was just a waste of money as far as I was concerned. The fewer things you put in your hair, the better for your hair, at least in my case. So I just stick to a few hair products. I don't have to buy so many shampoos, different shampoos from different brands to use on my hair. I now know what works for me and I use it. Now that's not to say you can't experiment with some things. You can do that, but when you are on a tight budget, it does not make sense to buy so many different conditioners and so many different shampoos and so many different deep conditioners. Just buy one and use it diligently and you're most likely going to see results. Now number 8, which is a bonus. Number 8 is just to say you should love your hair. Your beauty is in your uniqueness. Guys, there's no need trying to say, I want my hair to be like this person's own at all costs. What is this person using? Let me use it. What is this one using? Let me use it. No, we are not all the same. Sometimes they might have more money to buy products than you do. Sometimes as a student, all you get is just a little pocket money and you want to have a healthy hair journey. Loving your hair, just being content with what you have. You know what, I can afford this product for now, just stick with it and your hair is going to grow. So guys, those are my 7 tips for saving money on your natural hair journey. Well, the 8th was just a bonus, just to tell you to love your hair. If you're on a hair journey, please give me tips on what you do to save money on this hair journey. I would like to hear from you guys. We would like to hear from you. This is a community. When you drop your comments, we learn from them also. I'm waiting to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.